Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how to customize your Gmail background. So as you can see here, I have logged into my Gmail dashboard, and here I have a couple of options for customizing the background. I can customize it to a particular color that I want, or I can customize it to a particular theme that I want, or I can also customize it to my choice of image. So after logging in, go on to the right hand side of the screen and click on settings, and as soon as the quick setting box opens up, click on see all settings, and when you come on see all settings, go on to the right hand side and click on advanced settings, and in the advanced settings you will find themes. Click on themes, and after clicking on themes, click on set theme, and a pop-up window opens up. So here you can see that there are some preset themes that you can put up in your Gmail dashboard. So for example, if you want to put a particular theme from this, you can click on any of the themes. For example, I clicked on Lake Tahoe, and as you can see, my Gmail background has been set according to the theme that I clicked on. You can also change the themes as you like. If you want to set a particular color to your Gmail background and not like a theme, you can scroll down, and here you can see there are different colors you can set. So for example, if I want a dark color, I can click on this, and as soon as I click on this, I can see that my Gmail color has been set to black. Similarly, I can click on other colors. If I want to revert to my original theme and settings anytime, I can click on the default and it will come back here. So this is how you can set up colors for your Gmail dashboard and themes in whatever way you want to customize. And for example, if you want to set an image of your choice as your Gmail background, then what you have to do is go on to my photos here and select the photos that you have here in the my photos section. For putting pictures of your choice in my photos section, you should have those photos uploaded in your Gmail photos. So for example, here I have Gmail photos uploaded. You can open Gmail photos from your Gmail account by closing this, clicking on the Google Apps on the top right hand portion of the screen, and then clicking on Photos. And as soon as you click the photos icon, Google Photos open up, and here you can upload photos. So you can simply drag and drop photos. So for example, if I want to drag and drop this photo, I can just take it and drop it here, and as you can see, it shows that one item is uploaded and we have this photo here. Now for this to appear into my photos, you have to put it into an album. So I go to album, and I see that I have an album already created here which is called my photos. I can create a new album too, but I will just put the photo in this album. So to add photos to this album, I will click on the top button. I will click on this button on the top right hand side, and I will tick mark this photo, and I will click on done. And as you can see, now in the album, this photo that I want to set up as my Gmail background has been uploaded. Now I again go back to my Gmail dashboard. I click on set theme, then I click on my photos, and I see that this photo that I had uploaded in albums in Google Photos is showing here. I click on that and I click on this and I click on select, and as you can see, the custom photo has been uploaded. And this is how you can customize your Gmail background. So the three options that you get are the preset themes, the colors, or you can also upload a custom photo by uploading the photo in an album in My Photos. So this is how you do it. I will revert back to the default theme now. Go ahead, set up and customize your Gmail background as you wish. And if you have any problems setting up a custom background or customizing your Gmail background, let me know in the comments and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Stay safe, signing off.